Lot 255, the 1967 Jaguar E-Type Series 4.2 Litre Roadster. In the most beautiful color combination and most beautiful body style, opalescent silver blue over dark blue hides with a matching top. This is a matching numbers car, driven sparingly since its restoration by marque specialists. The most stunning color combination on these cars, the 1967 E-Type.
Really looks great in these colors. What can we say? That's actually bidding at $100,000, shall we? So we're going to bid of $100,000. We'd like to start me $100,000. Thank you, sir. $100,000 and selling already, ladies and gentlemen, at just $100,000. Magnificent. Well, I have 125. 110. 110. 120, sir. 120. I've got 120. Thank you. 120,000. 130,000 anyway. At 120, do I have 130? At 120,000, selling here on my right at $120,000 only, and it's going for the first time already. At $120,000, the bid right here, and I'm selling the car. 125, 130, 130. At 125,000, selling then is going for the first time. At 125,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time. If there's 130, thank you, right here in front of me, my bidder at 130, 135, 135, at 130, I'm selling right here to you, it's going for the first time. At $130,000 then, it's going for the second time. Third and last time, at 130, 135, 140, 140,000 on the aisle. 145 if you like on the internet. We're at $140,000 right here on the aisle, selling all the way at $140,000 now for the first time. At 140 then it's going for the second time. Third and last time. What a great buy it is at $140,000 then. A well done, a well finished. It's here, 145, 150, 150, 155, 155,000, 160,000, back in with me, 165,000, thank you, 170,000, 170,000, 175, thank you, 175, 180,000, 185, sir. Nope, well at 180,000 on the aisle, it's going for the first time. It's going for the second, third, and last time at $180,000, all done, all finished. Sold your car, well done, $180,000, 402, that's it, 402, thank you, $180,000.